Hi everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art tutorial. Today we're going to be working in watercolor with the Derwent line and wash kit and also this pointed oval wash brush, which is like a cat tongue brush, which is really fun. And then also some Linocut stamps that I made. So let's get started. So I've got a piece of Arch 140 hot press paper here. Hope I said it right because everybody's been, I get comments all the time that I pronounce it weird. And I do have a Midwestern accent, so that might be part of it, but whatever. So we're going to start off with a little bit of Payne's Gray. Move this over so you guys can see. Payne's Gray, and then this is the Indigo, which is an Inktense color in the set. So you get kind of a good mix of both of those colors. So let's just start by laying down a wash. Fun, fun, fun. Fun brush. Look at that. Look how skinny you can make that line. That's fun. I like the skinny lines. Okay. And then I also have some of the already squirted out over here. And this palette is a little bit of the orange from Schmincke. So I want to put some of that down too. Get some water on there. And start off with some pretty light washes. Nothing too crazy. I do want to go back in with my palette knife and scrape in. Let's scrape back in. And we're going to come in with some darker tones as well. I thought I'd try taping it off today because I don't usually do that, but we're going to see how that works for us. Also, if you were waiting for the second part of the concertina book, I apologize. I just am kind of stuck. Like, I don't know. I'm kind of stuck on what I want to do with that. So we're going to let it sit for a while and then we'll get back to it, I promise. Let's put a little bit more of this Payne's Gray through here because I kind of like what we got going on here. Ooh, this brush is really fun. I didn't get it as wet this time, so it's kind of got a little dry brush going on there. And I am going to put a stamp through there, so I don't want to get it too complicated. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Gosh, I love making marks with that palette knife. I think we need some more of that orange color. Okay, let's put down some more of this Schmincke orange. I kind of want it to just fall down into this area, maybe up here a little bit. And then I also want to add in, this is another one of the colors in the set, which is the Port in the Graphitint. This is a Graphitint one. And this is a wonderful color. Like, look at that fun color. That's really beautiful, isn't it? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay. Let's put some more lines through here. Maybe. Yeah, I just kind of want it to be, oh, that's fun. Let's take some of that away. What I always say, I was gonna sometimes think about taking things away as well as adding. I think we got some really fun shapes through there. Add just a little bit more of this tint through here. Maybe make some dry marks. Here's another color that I don't use a lot of, but I like in the set called Port. And it's a little more purplish. So maybe up here in the sky would be nice. A little bit down here. We might need some Aquapasto going through here as well. Something a little different. I like combining these two kits together. I think we're gonna get some really cool marks. I gotta remember to go all the way over to the edge. I've kind of been forgetting the edges. Let's try to work on that today. Let's let this dry and we'll come back with some Aquapasto. Okay, let's do a bit of Aquapasto in the orange color. I'm gonna mix it with this really old brush because I don't want it to get... I kind of just want to put it down and then we're gonna smear it around like we did before. I want it up here at the top, I think. Oh, that's really fun. Okay, I was gonna do something else there, but I might just leave it because I think that's a pretty fun mark. Okay, I added a little bit more of the orange color from the Derwent Desert set. I'm just gonna put that down and sort of, oh, there you can see it. I just like how it makes these marks with this catalyst wedge. Is really cool. Like, it's super fun. I wonder if I can get it on the right side. I can bypass the brush and just, yeah. If I just, yeah, I'm liking these marks that I can make through here with. I think that adds so much to it, right? Okay, I've got this rubber stamp and I think I want to put it like right through here, but I don't want all of it. I'm gonna roll out some ink. Well, I've already got some ink here. This is the water-based ink from Speedball, just black. I've got it here on my jelly plate, but it got real sticky. So let's, you can use paint if you want to, if you're going to try this. I just wanted to kind of see if I can make different marks. I'm not the best lino cutter on the planet, so it's going to probably be easier just to put it on the whole thing and then block out what we don't want. Yeah, I think that's going to be easier. Okay. Get another sheet of paper here. Oops, sorry, I bumped that. I just want to cover this up. I think that's going to work out nicely. Off some of that. Okay. So I'm just going to put it right through there. And I'm going to take this sheet of deli paper and use my Baron to put pressure on it. Using it like a stamp. Okay, what do we get? Ooh, look at that. That's really cool. I like how bold that is. I wish I would have got it all the way over. Okay, so I inked it up again. Now we're just going to use this top piece, I think, just to come in through here. Oh, my tape came up. Having all sorts of issues. I just thought it would be really cool to try Linocut prints or stencils over. Oh, look at that. Over the... That helps with your tape sticks. Over the watercolor. I don't know why. Just like... It just got in my head that that's something we should do. Okay. I like how bold that is. I like everything about that. I'm really wanting to like... Am I going to screw this up if I do this? Nope, I did not. Okay. I like how it's echoing what's going on up there. Okay, so I could put down some of the Lyra burnt ochre. And I want to see if I can just make some chunky marks through here. Like that. I like that. Let's add a bit more color here. And keep going. I like this idea of... Let me get this one out. This one's a little bit more flexible. Although I do like... Oh, shoot. Oh, that's fun. I kind of went over the, kind of got a little too far up in the print there, but that's okay. I don't hate it. Oh, that's really good. I like how flexible that palette knife is. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more of this ochre through here. And then I've got like some regular yellow ochre. That might be kind of fun. Oh, I just love those marks. And it just really perfectly mimics what we got going on up here. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, before we do the ochre, that color, I just want to make some marks through here. Okay. Now I'm not sure if I want to add in another color or if I just want to keep it simple. Okay, let's pull up the tape. Let's see what we get. I really like the wood blocks, and I'm really grooving on these flexible marks that are sort of almost like layers of pattern and texture through there with the art crayons. Love the marks. I really like the Aquapasto. Even though it's not super thick, you can definitely see that it doesn't really look like watercolor, like right through here. I think that's really fabulous. I actually like what I did up there with the sky. Yeah, I would probably cut a bigger mat for this, but if I were going to use this mat, I would probably go somewhere in there. I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I think we're going to continue on this vein a little bit. I'm loving doing the watercolors, and I'm really loving the scratching. So I think the wood cuts are really fun, and I just ordered some more linoleum so I can make more marks and more stamps. So this might be something we work on for a while. I like how free and open it is. And I'm also getting a little better at the watercolor, a little better, being more patient with it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.